Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is a sad day. I'm actually letting my Ford Ranger Raptor go. I'm selling this vehicle today. I've done about 2,000 kilometers with this beast. You can see that it's right now sitting on my driveway next to the Civic Type R. So the reason why I'm selling this is because I'm mostly using my truck for camping purposes. I don't use it for much off-roading. That is just not my thing. And I sometimes drive it as a daily vehicle, doing the errands, picking up kids, mostly city driving actually. And if we go on camping, I will have the rooftop tent on the rear tray, which I haven't installed. But the problem is the rooftop tent can only fit 2 people, but we have 4 in our family, so that is just not gonna work now when the kids is growing older, and my wife actually want to join our camping trips. So what I'm thinking is to let this go and get a real camping vehicle. I'm actually considering the Volkswagen California Ocean. It's a van. It's a passenger carrier that VW has converted in stock form into a camper van. The California Ocean, the California range from the Volkswagen brand actually has a lot of heritage actually. And the California Ocean, I actually went to have a look at the real car in the dealership. It's actually quite nice, and it can fit 4 people in it. Sleeps 4, so 2 downstairs, and there's a pop-up top that sleeps 2. So 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs. And it also has a kitchen inside as well, inside the vehicle. So that's very handy for camping. Yes, so that's my reasons and thoughts of why I'm selling the Ranger Raptor. The size of the California is actually very, very similar to the Raptor. So it's going to be able to be parked over here at the spot as well. So that should be fine. So again, it's sad to let it go. It's such a good vehicle. I only owned it for a short time, and I'm sure I'll miss it. The power of the V6, the sound of the V6, also the looks of this amazing beast. I really love the color as well. This gray color looks amazing. Again, I've just fitted a HSP electrically operated roller shutter lid on it just last week actually. Yeah, it's a really nice lid actually. Operates really conveniently, really well. It's good quality, made in Australia, very well made. It's watertight as well, and there's theft protection. This is out of metal, so it's pretty much impossible to cut into it. So yeah, this is the last time I'm making a video of this Ranger Raptor, but we'll probably be making a bit more contents of the Ranger Raptor with the one of the dealership demos if we can. So yeah, there are still going to be Raptor contents coming on our channel, but it's just not this one. And when I pick up if I pick up a Volkswagen California Ocean, then I will be doing more content on that as well. So yeah, please stay tuned for more content on our channel. Again, set to let this beast go, but with our family circumstances, the way that we use the vehicle and the way we want to use the vehicle for camping, this is right now not suitable for our family anymore. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.